All right, people. My sister is here, the lucky one, and she says hi. Hello, YouTube. All right. Go for it.
Okay, we'll see you over there. Nope.
She makes calculations before each and every bet, just to make sure what's going to be the winning bet. It made a noise. What does that mean? Okay, no, didn't mean anything.
Doesn't mean anything.
It didn't mean anything. It sounded like something good's gonna happen. $2. Okay. Purple. Could it be? Oh no! It went up one. The green one has gotten so much firework action, but it has not filled up. I don't know what's going on now. Oh, speaking of double. See, it just keeps filling up and going back down. It's so lame.
That's so lame.
That is. It's planned. Okay, here we go. Double. No.
Motherfucker.
Okay, that's a big one. It's like $9.
Set it off.
Oh.
We're trying to get this thing to like.
Yeah. That's the thing. It may light up with nothing like that one. It's just so random. It's all just a random number generator, and then the animation is to trick us all. Oh my god, that was lame. 88. Lucky 88. Oh, see, the one was at the top reel, it didn't go through. See,
This pisses me off.
oh, that's a good hit. Hit something. So you connect it towards 4, okay.
Alright, last bet. What do you guys think?
Last bit, yeah, go for whatever amount you think. Yeah, go for the big one. Or whatever you can max.
Well, we don't have a big one.
Or you don't have a big one, or the bigger one, whatever it is. Come on. Oh, you have enough for one more 80 cent? 88 cent? Is this gonna happen?
Come on.
It is not. And that is why you don't gamble, boys and girls. There's a lesson.
Lame. So lame.
We tried.
How many credits do you want?
It's 176. Yeah. If you tap it, I think it'll turn it into dollars. Yeah.
Oh, so I can only do that.
No, you can do it all the way, and that's $8. We have $17 in there. If you want to go big, go 4. We do it. Let's see what happens. I hope we get that green one. Yeah, do it. I'm all in. Come on, get a green thing. Oh, pop it. Oh, it does it so it just like entices you. Try it again. Do whatever. Do the magic. Okay. So anytime you get one of the colored ones, it could pop it and then you could like get like some kind of bonus round. So the magic is to get all 3 of them at the same time. So yeah, try that. And I think you can still get bonus games too. Oh. It could pop at any time. It doesn't need to be like full. It just kind of looks like it is. Okay, whatever size. Okay. Oh, the green one is the one that we want to see because it has a lot of. Oh, it just keeps lining up that last one and then just like, nah. The major's really high on this one, that's why I wanted to like.
Come on.
Come on. Baby needs new shoes. Go for it. Anytime. Let's go, yeah, I'm not all in. Is there a line? Okay, we got something there. Oh, it went all the way to the end, that's good. So you bet bigger, you win bigger, I think. But you also lose bigger, but. No, that's what, because you connected all of these to there, so that was good. Yeah, those count as wilds, the pink ones. So it's like, it's the same symbol. Oh, that's good too. There you go. See, the bigger you bet, the more. Let's just get a bonus round though. No, so when you like trigger a when one of those fireworks things goes off fully, then you get like a real bonus round that you can get a lot of money in that. This is all just like little line hits, so. That was a dead one. Something? Alright, that was it.